If you're planning to buy a cold press juicer, this video is going to help you big time. Because today, we're talking about the top 5 best cold press juicers in India. Models that not only make super healthy juice, but also retain all the natural nutrients from fruits and vegetables. But remember, just buying a juicer isn't enough. You should also know which juicer suits your needs best and what key factors you should check before buying one. So first, we'll go through the important buying factors step by step so that all your doubts are clear. And then I'll share with you the top 5 cold press juicers available in the Indian market right now, with their features, pricing, and real-life usability experience. All the buying links are available in the description, so don't forget to check them out after watching this video. Some important factors before buying a cold press juicer. Number 1. Power. The higher the motor power, the more durable and efficient your juicer will be. All the juicers featured in this video come with an average power of around 240 watts, which is perfect for home use, powerful yet energy efficient. Number 2. Additional features. Check whether your juicer can also make nut milk, coconut milk, smoothies, or even sorbet. Nowadays, many premium models come with these smart multi-utility attachments, which make them super versatile. Number 3. Cleaning and after-sales service. Trust me, if cleaning is complicated or after-sales service is poor, it becomes a headache. That's why in this list, I've only included models that are easy to clean and come with reliable customer support. So let's not waste time and jump straight into our list of the top 5 cold press juicers in India 2025. At number 5, we have the Inalsa Professional Cold Press Juicer. It comes with a 400-watt super silent motor that operates at 65 RPM, ensuring slow, efficient juice extraction. Its 7-stage spiral auger helps you extract maximum juice while keeping the nutritional value intact. You also get a wide 82mm feeding tube, so you don't have to chop your fruits into tiny pieces. The build quality feels premium, and it performs well for daily home use. You can grab this juicer for around 8,500 rupees, and during sale time, you can get an extra 10% discount with card offers. Plus, the brand gives you 2 years of product warranty, which is pretty solid. Next on our list is the Atomberg Altia Cold Press Juicer, a smart premium option that delivers top-notch performance. It features a high-torque motor that works smoothly and efficiently, extracting maximum nutrition from fruits, vegetables, and even nuts. What makes it special is the intelligent auto-reverse function, which automatically clears pulp if it gets stuck, reducing motor strain. It also has advanced safety features, meaning the juicer won't start unless all parts are properly locked. With its easy assembly and simple cleaning design, you can comfortably use it daily. It's capable of making fruit juice, veggie juice, and nut milk, and its stylish build fits perfectly in modern kitchens. Currently, it's priced around 14,000 rupees, and you can get a 10% discount during sales. Atomberg also offers a 3-year warranty, making it a durable, smart, and reliable option for your home. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach Professional Cold Press Slow Juicer, a premium quality juicer designed for health-conscious users. It features the Smart Pure Press technology, which operates at a low speed to preserve all natural nutrients and flavor. You also get a free sorbet attachment, which lets you make smoothies, cold desserts, and even frozen fruit sorbets effortlessly. Its compact design and solid build quality ensure long-lasting performance. Assembly and cleaning are super easy, making it perfect for daily use. The juicer is currently priced at around 11,000 rupees, and the company offers a massive 10-year motor warranty, which is excellent. If you're looking for premium build, smooth performance, and high nutrition output, this one's a total winner. If you're looking for a budget-friendly all-rounder, then the Agaro Imperial Slow Juicer is a great pick. It comes with a 240-watt motor running at 60 RPM, ensuring slow and efficient juice extraction. You get a 74mm large feeding tube, so you can easily insert whole fruits or big chunks. All its jars are made from food-grade plastic, ensuring safe and healthy juicing. It also features a reverse function, which helps clear any pulp stuck inside. The juicer is easy to assemble, clean, and comes with all required accessories, including a smoothie strainer and sorbet maker. The build quality is decent, and it's priced around 13,000 rupees. Agaro provides 1-year product warranty and 5-year motor warranty, which makes it a value for money option. If your budget is between 12,000 rupees to 13,000 rupees, this juicer will perfectly meet your needs. And finally, taking the number 1 spot, the Kuvings B1700 cold press juicer. This premium model comes with a 240-watt powerful motor running at 50 RPM and a 76mm wide feeding tube that saves you time while juicing. It also includes a patented quick cleaning tool, which makes cleaning super convenient. With this juicer, you can easily make juices, nut milk, smoothies, and even sorbets. Its patented JMCS technology allows up to 10% more juice extraction, ensuring no nutrition is wasted. Currently, it's available for around 15,000 rupees, and Kuvings provides a 1-year product warranty and an impressive 10-year motor warranty. If you register your product on the Kuvings website, you even get an extra 2-year warranty, taking the total to 12 years of motor coverage. So if you want the perfect value for money cold press juicer, Kuvings B1700 is the one to go for. So friends, that was our list of the top 5 best cold press juicers in India. All of them are great in their category, from budget-friendly to premium professional models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Best Picks India for more honest product reviews and buying guides. And if you have any personal query or confusion about which juicer suits you best, feel free to comment below. I'll personally reply to your question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another useful video.